This is deer. Deer are vegetarians. They eat leaves, grass, acorns, and even mushrooms, but no meat. Bison. They're the U.S. national mammal. Since 2016, the bison has been America's furry emblem, like the bald eagle for birds. This is tiger. The teeth and paws of the tiger are very strong. Tiger is the national animal of India and Bangladesh. The lifespan of tigers is of 26 to 30 years. The name of this animal is monkeys. There are over 260 types, from tiny pygmy marmosets, size of a banana, to big mandrills, with rainbow faces. This is kangaroo. The kangaroo is on Australia's coat of arms and even some coins. Kangaroos can hop up to 44 miles per hour, faster than a car in a school zone. This animal is known as lemur. Some lemurs, like the sifaka, dance sideways on two legs when they hop on the ground. This is monkeys. Monkeys have tails, while apes, like chimps and gorillas, don't. They pick bugs and dirt off each other's fur. It's like a monkey spa day. This is shark. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. They swam the oceans before trees existed. This is called horse. Horses can sleep standing up. They have a special lock in their legs to nap upright, but they lie down for deep sleep. This is called buffaloes. Lions fear African buffaloes, nicknamed Black Death. They're one of the most dangerous animals to hunt. They fight back as a team. This is bears. They love to eat almost everything. Most bears are omnivores, meaning they eat plants, meat, and fish. Pig. Baby pigs, piglets, can recognize their names by 2 weeks old and learn routines quickly. Wolf. Wolves have 42 teeth. That's 10 more than humans. Their long canine teeth This is called dogs. The tallest dog ever was 44 inches tall. Like a pony, a Great Dane named Zeus held the record. He was taller than most kids. This wild animal is called rabbits. Wild rabbits live in tunnels called burrows, which can have multiple rooms. This animal is known as hens. A hen lays about 300 eggs a year. That's over 5 eggs a week, enough to make an omelet every day.